Hey everyone, it's Camille Aiko out of Cincinnati, Ohio, inspiring you to live the life that you love spiritually, mentally, physically, and financially. This is a tutorial on how to join Facebook groups as yourself or as a page. So I am on the Facebook app, and when you are on the news feed, at the very top, there is a menu, and next to the home option, there is a circle with three avatars. So you're going to click on that. This is the group tab. Here you can identify your groups, discover new groups, or create a group. What we're going to be doing is click on discover, and Facebook is going to give you group suggestions, or you can also search for groups here by simply clicking the magnifying glass in the top right corner. You can also scroll down and it says categories. You can search by categories. If you go back and you click on the magnifying glass up top right underneath the three lines, you're also going to be brought to the popular group categories. You can click see all, and you can see Facebook has tons of different categories that you can choose from. So I'm just going to choose travel, and now here I can click join, or I can click on the group to see if this is actually a group that I do indeed want to join. And so since this group is open, I can see all of the post in here. This seems like a pretty cool group to join, so I'm going to click on the blue button, join group. Now here are the options that pop up. How to join group. Do I want to join as one of my pages or my personal profile? So if I wanted to join as one of my pages, I would just click on that and then click join group. I don't want to join as a group. I just want to join as myself. So I'm going to click join group. And this one didn't have any questions or anything, so I am in the group now. Now, it's important to note that depending on the group settings, you may have to wait for a group admin to approve your request. If this is a hidden group that you're trying to join, then it's not going to appear in the search results, and a current member will need to invite you. And then when you join a group, other people may be able to see that you're a member depending on the group's privacy options. All right, now a couple other things to keep in mind is that group admins may not allow pages to join their groups. So if you go to a page and it does not give you all of the options like it just did for us as far as profiling the different pages that you're an admin of, that means the group has the settings turned off that pages cannot join their group. Or yeah, I guess I said that right. All right, now pages can only request to join groups and can't be invited to join groups. Another thing you want to keep in mind is that if you've already joined a group as a profile and want to join as a page, you can change who you're interacting as. And then the final thing is only page admins can request to join a group. So let's go back out, because again, not all pages allow, or not all groups allow pages to join. Said that backwards. So for instance, let's click here on Jim Rohn Mastermind Group. When I click on join group here, it does not pop up that pages can join. So therefore, this group has the option for pages to join turned off. It's not that pages can't join groups. It's the admin of the groups that don't allow pages to join. So they have rules that they have, and then you have to answer the questions before you can join. We have one rule: if it's not about Jim Rohn, don't post it. This is pure Jim Rohn resource, and it will be kept that way. Failure to follow the golden rule of this group will result in you being banned from the group. I agree and submit, and then I have to wait for my membership to be approved with this group. Now, hopefully that was helpful, and I will talk to you guys later.